manufacturers as well. Power in numbers for sure.
Good to know.
Wow.
Thanks so much.
Sure.
Well, we want to turn now to Doug and the forecast. Doug, something tells me you're going to be using your remote starter to warm up your car tonight.
Oh,
this is the season, right?
Absolutely, baby. I mean, that's why
It's cold getting in them now.
So many of those cars these days have them, which is great. You know, you're going to need to do that for sure because we're talking a very cold night. One of the coldest nights that we've seen so far this winter. That's not saying a whole lot. We haven't had a whole lot of cold air, but it's here now, and it's here to stay. Take a look out there currently. Our number's 35 degrees, dropping into the 20s by around 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Wind chills, though, are already there. I mean, look at these numbers. Already in the teens for wind chills. 19 in Manassas, Herndon, Reston coming in right around 19 to 20 degrees. Also up to Hagerstown at 18, 19 in Baltimore. So, yeah, it's a cold night for sure. And, of course, that leads us to the snow. How much are we going to see? What is the timing of it? Well, here's Saturday at 2 o'clock and already snowing around our area. Now, this will be light snow to start, and you'll be seeing it steadily increase during the afternoon into the overnight hours. And we really think the bulk of this comes down during the evening hours on Saturday. So if you have dinner plans on Saturday night, that's one thing you want to watch out for. On Sunday, we're going to get a little bit of a lull here. You can see not much going on. D.C. to the north, maybe a few flurries, but that's it. Down to the south, that's where we're still picking up some accumulating snow around Fredericksburg, parts of the northern neck, and southern Maryland. And then does this storm, the next portion of it, the secondary portion, does that come up? The European model does bring it up close to D.C. with additional accumulation, especially in our southern zones. However, we're going to wait and see just how far north this gets, because notice, here we are on Sunday, snowing in Frederick, Frederick not snowing, Fredericksburg still seeing some snow. That's why our map is a little bit different here. 1 to 3 inches, Frederick around D.C. and Baltimore, 3 to 5 down to the south, Waldorf and Fredericksburg for that additional accumulation on Sunday. Much more back towards the mountains as we would expect. Let's take you region by region right now, and let's talk a little bit more about the impacts. Amelia's got those in the Storm Center.
Well, Doug, as you were showing there with future weather, if you're tracking, if you're going to be out Saturday night, this is when snow is most likely. So you might want to reconsider those dinner plans or at least continue to monitor the forecast. Church on Sunday, snow is certainly possible, but like Doug was just showing you there on future weather, there's a potential for a break as well. But again, it's really Saturday night when we think the area is going to be under the gun for the most accumulation from this storm system. So how about the commute and schools on Monday? Well, based on the amounts and the timing right now, it looks like just about everybody, especially the D.C. metro area and areas to the north, are going to be back to business by 9 a.m. at the latest, potentially a little bit earlier. Now, south of 66, maybe some school delays out there Monday morning, maybe an isolated cancellation or two, especially down around Fredericksburg, Stafford, and King George County. So how about our bread meter? Where are we at right now? Definitely not stuck up for a week. D.C. metro area and areas to the north, if your pantry is empty, definitely want to go to the grocery store. South of 66, you probably want to go out and grab a loaf with 3 to 5 inches there. But for most of us, this is looking like a pretty low to moderate impact event. But an inch at least is highly likely. Check out your snow chances. Chance of an inch or more coming in at 80%. Chances for 4 inches or more coming in at a much lower 40%. And Doug, right now, we're really not seeing 10 inches or 8 inches or more of snow with this event across the entire region. For most of us, 1 to 3, and then south about 3 to 5.
Yeah, and the cold air sticks around, and that's why we think we could have problems on the roadways Saturday into Sunday, because the temperatures are right around or below freezing in most areas in the city, around 34. Staying on the chilly side all the way through next week. Temperatures below average here all the way through next Saturday before we start to see another storm system move in. That one brings in what could be even colder air the following week, getting into a much more winter-like pattern here. Looks like it wants to stick around for a while, too.
All right, Doug, thank you. Well, drones have become an important public safety tool in many Virginia jurisdictions. Well, now Fairfax County wants to use them, too. The county has started a public information campaign to highlight the benefits and ease the fears that residents may have. Now, the county wants to use drones for a series of situations like search and rescues, traffic, and fires and crimes as well. Planners are working with the ACLU and other groups on guidelines to ease concerns about privacy.
The program is going to be a public safety generated program, so we're going to have focus for law enforcement, fire and rescue, and emergency management. And the idea is to be able to do all kinds of different things to support those elements.